KTTA Live. KTTA Live. KTTA 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 ARHS Live. KTTA KTTA VLTA AMRX ARHS BNGO
Hello. There we go, baby. We're back. Can you guys hear me? I think we got it. I think we got it. Let me know. Let me know.
KTTA
Let me know. Let me know. We're good? Okay. All right. Let's start this over again. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another day on the stream. So, feeling a little better, a little nasally still. I am on mobile hotspot. I have no internet at all. I am surprised this is even working to begin with. Yeah, it's been out since noon yesterday. I was on Comcast chat with probably 4 different people. They were trying to send a tech out when I was trying to tell them the whole neighborhood's out. Now the outage map finally says we're out and they're working on it, but it's almost been 24 hours now. Somehow my cellular service is running not only my trade ideas and my news and my trade station and this music, but it's streaming as well. So sweet. Thanks for being here, guys. A little bit iffy to start the stream here, but we got it. We're here.
VRNA
Good morning, Discipline, Scott B, AC, Adrian, George, Steven.
PCL
Good morning, good morning.
IMBZ
I am shocked this is rolling as smoothly as it is. Hey, what's up, JR? For Nurky, good morning, good morning. Yeah, I ran a speed test of my cellular this morning, and it's like over 100 down and like 15 up. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot. Hey, Bubba, good morning.
CUK
We got anything moving? This looks better than Xfinity. That's hilarious. Sounds about right. Looks better than a wired Ethernet connection to the cable. Yes, John. I am a small cap trader for the most part. I mean, I'll trade mid caps. I'll trade a little bit, large caps if small caps are completely dead. But I wish I had fiber here, JR. Oh my God, 1,000 up, 1,000 down would be nuts. Hey, Snacks. Good morning. Welcome in, guys.
MNMT
Yeah, that would be just nuts. That'd be perfect for streaming too.
RSX
I can't believe this looks clearer than Xfinity. That is really funny. All right.
FSRD
So, looks like we're good. I got charts up here. Let's see how fast we can change over though.
ARHS
That's not bad. It looks exactly the same. I'm almost questioning at this point if my actual internet's up. Back going now. Alright, that's our top gainer. Penny stock. Looks like it ran to 60 cents this morning. I'm guessing, if I had to take an educated guess, I would say that this is up on nothing. No, I had news. Announces abstract acceptance and for podium presentation. So nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. So it actually did have something, but what's today? The 11th. So actually that was yesterday morning. So never mind. They had news yesterday morning. So no. My career up on nothing. Love it. So TTOO, was that continuing with from that news it had, the monkeypox news? Because we were looking at it over here. I remember I saw it grind back up, and then I didn't even look at it yesterday, I don't think. Is that what it is, Snacks? Monkeypox that it's up on? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so it continued nicely, actually. I had the bottom on Bitcoin last night and sold for a very small gain again. Hold on just 1 second.
ABEL.
Yeah, had monkeypox in the title. That'll do it. Yeah, they ramped it late. Had the excuse me, had the opening buys, kind of sold off a little bit, and then it got ramped all the way to the end of the day. Bitcoin yesterday, last night. See if I can find where I had it at. Right here. Like 23,525 or something. I was like, okay, I'm gonna risk under 500 and I'll be good. It bounced on this candle up to like 23,650. I was up like 40% of my whole account. Sold like 50-60% of my shares, and then I set a stop. I was watching, like, it was kind of trending higher and higher and higher, and I set a stop like 575, I think, and this candle came down, wicked, picked it up, hammered back in, and then just freaking ramped. And Bitcoin's at 24.6 today. But I've got my tiny little account up to 33, so we're moving. We're moving. You did 5,000%. 5,000%. Think you'll get access today, AC? I hope so. That'd be cool. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun to trade on there. Yeah, they're my stream sponsor as well, JR. In the description underneath under sponsors, that's the invite link.
EVGO.
Let's see.
OPGN.
And people are telling me it's very similar to, I don't know how you say it, Qcoin. But we are supporters of MEXC Global here.
GMBT.
There you go.
CUK.
If you deposit $200 USDT, you get a 20 USDT bonus as long as you have 20,000 trading volume, which isn't that hard to hit whenever you have margin. Getting the rave going this morning.
ETNB.
How the Bambinos? Good. Good. Noah is, let's see. Yeah, 14 months. He was 14 months a couple days ago. And then my wife is now, I think, 16 weeks pregnant with the second kid. So everything's great. Everything's great.
10.
I don't know how the mic got switched over to a different mic. So OBS had settings on default for some reason, which I don't know what the default mic is for my computer. But once I switched it back over to the correct mic, it worked perfect. But you don't have to use it, but MEXC does give you 125 times margin on futures. So you can grow an account really fast if you're good and if you take the right trades, but it's super risky. Hey, Jesus, good morning. We are somehow streaming on Hotspot and it's working. Anything like actively moving right now?
ARHS.
Did Live have an 8 a.m. PR? Yeah, it did. FDA fast track designation. 50K with 100X, yeah, for sure. Yeah, put 5 milli or whatever that equals out to. Straight into the trade.
FCEL. BLDR. Riot. ML.
I'm definitely gonna start sizing down margin wise though once my account gets a little higher. I would not. I don't even know if I want to go 125X on 1,000. But the thing is, they'll liquidate you if you before you blow up, basically, before you go negative. Probably better. Yeah. So actually, Jesus, I tested the hotspot this morning on my phone at least, and it was like 120 download and 10 upload. Yeah, so you just lose your money. That's it. Yep. So you want to set your stop loss before you get liquidated. But yeah, you would lose the money you have. But if you're using, let's say you have $1,000 and you're using 125 times margin, and that's what, 125 grand. Yeah, it would liquidate you before you lose your balance. You're not gonna owe the 100 times. Yeah.
GWAV.
So the market 422.
EVGL. CLSK.
Where are all my 2008 guys at? Where they at?
CGEN.
Where they at? Where's those little squiggly lines that they've been showing me? I've been saying it since down here. Like, this is just a dip. I don't care if we go lower or not. This is like, start getting your long terms. We're 100 points off the high. Now we're back to 420. I don't think it's going to keep going straight up. I mean, we can pull back, maybe test 200, come back to 420, come back to 405 even, push higher. But yeah, with the momentum we got going on, 425 is very possible. We're already at 422 and a half. Uh-oh. My wife just texted me and said, you only got 10% of your hotspot left. Just got a text. Uh-oh. I didn't think about that. I did not think about the limits to the hotspot. That's not good. So we'll see. If we cut off here in a minute, you guys know what happened. Maybe by some miracle, the internet will come back. Yeah, I think it is like something very small for hotspot. I completely forgot about that. So I guess I won't be trying to get into any trades, at least until, don't think they'll cut you off, but they'll charge you a certain amount. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Even though it is working. Let me grab my phone. Oh my gosh. It says I have 10% left in my 15 gigabyte monthly hotspot allowance. This is the first time I've used it. Was yesterday and today. 15 gigs. Oh, I love this chair. I love this chair. This one is not the Titan though. It's the other one. Can't think of the name. It's the other one, not the Titan, but it's the soft weave. Let me look at the map again. Yeah, it still says it's out, and it says we'll have you back up and running by approximately 9:05 a.m. Hey, Rock Stuhine, I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. Thank you for the sub, appreciate it. Gave it my best shot. Yes, good morning, Simon. I'm feeling better. Yeah, I'm a little congested, but I'm feeling better. We got different issues this morning. My internet's out, so I'm using Hotspot, and apparently I've only got 10% left of my Hotspot for the whole month. So, we will see. You're 6'7"? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm only 5'10". 5'10 and a half on a good day. So this one's perfect.
ML.
My bank account's 611, so I'm good. Okay. Maybe not after this year. This year has been so terrible, so slow.
CLNE.
It's odd that the market has so much strength and there's not really many gainers. Like, this is okay. There's 2 pennies though. So in reality, up 60% at 37 cents, it's up what?
CUK.
Let me go look.
CCL.
It's up 14 cents.
GW.
And it's sitting right here. It already ran. Like, it's, the top gainer looks terrible. So maybe we'll get something at 8:30. I would love if my internet would come back on soon.
EVGO. KTRA, SOS. SUNW.
Hey, Jordan, good morning.
Is SOBO. Tell. FUBO.
Seems like a very slow morning. So good thing that I really am not up to 100% on the internet this morning. Because it seems very slow.
CRMT. Kin.
I want to see if this works.
Aider.
See if this pops up. Yeah, there we go. It finally let me link my Streamlabs merch and YouTube together, so it is actually staying. Cool.
GMBD. Hood.
Sega still in play today. AMC bounced.
Live.
Big bounce. Survived that huge knife. I think I was looking at it yesterday around 21, but I didn't buy in. Phase in play, I guess. Like, nothing looks fantastic. You guys see anything that looks like really great setup today? What was that ticker that ran yesterday at the end of the day I've never even heard of? It starts with an N. Was it NVTA? Yeah. Never even heard of this ticker before in my life. And I looked in yesterday and today, it ran 100% just from here to here. Had like a 200% run yesterday. Oh my gosh, look how ugly this is.
FRSX.
So we got 8:30 news in about 3 minutes. Hopefully, we'll get something there. Somehow I've only dropped 45 frames. That's not bad at all. You guys taking any trades yet today? I haven't seen anything worth taking. Like, even remotely worth taking. There was a time I thought this stock was going to be the future.
MF.
Because they were talking about autonomous vehicles and, or autonomous, however you say it, autonomous. Yeah, it's autonomous. And like Apple was looking at making a car, Tesla was doing their autopilot stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is it. This one's gonna go crazy. You missed MBTA cutting the grass yesterday? Yeah, that was crazy. I wasn't even at the desk. As soon as I hopped off stream yesterday, I was done. I literally got in that halt, sold out of the halt, and I was a high of day, so I just rolled out.
AMRX.
Long and short TTO for 100. Yeah, I mean, that's your jam, man. That's your jam.
Sophie.
One more minute till news.
SUNW.
Yeah, imagine if you'd had that still. You'd be up 10 grand right here. But you don't know. You don't know that it's gonna, I mean, this move from 1275 to 15, that's a huge move.
SOBO.
And then even from like 13 to 15, that's a big move for like percentage wise. That's big. You can't just assume that it's gonna do this craziness. All right, what we got?
DBGI. CLS stats.
That's with a fluff PR.
WEBL time.
Ooh. That's it? There's really nothing. Nothing worth anything here.
CIDM. NITOP. CUK. CCL.
Okay then. So that's when process of elimination comes in, and it's either going to be like TTOO running here, or you know, one of these things that's already up,
GWAV.
or something that's ran recently. But nothing fresh is coming out today.
SOS. Domon.
Nice little flag here, but do I really want to play a 23-cent stock that's up 50% already? Probably not, right? Probably not. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, you know, for a 13-cent stock to just randomly have crazy D-list news or something, a reverse split.
MKFG. Stab.
Is that good enough to
BULZ.
move?
XPON.
I'm not chasing it that high. X-Pawn, record revenue for the second quarter, increased 122%, but only to 2.2 million. Gross profit increased 88%, so it reads well. No. What was SMFL news at? I heard that hitting the scanner.
Riot. SBSW.
Oh, I don't see that. I don't even see that on the news feed. What is that? Is that a Zynga exclusive? I see where somebody just tweeted that out. It is. Oh, baby. Let me show you. Let me show you this. Check this out.
Verily
Did I call it or did I call it? My internet is not back on, JD. We are rolling on a hotspot, baby. The Benzinga exclusive. There you go. Not on the news feed, not anywhere. The old BZ Pumparooski. Called that one. Called that one. When it's not on the news feed and it's a headline, it's a Zynga. Yeah, I'm surprised it's holding up, but I did get a text this morning already that says I've got 10% left. of my, yeah, that's funny. I got 10% left in my hotspot for the whole month, so we'll see if we go out in a minute. Yeah, I need to hit a button and an alarm comes up and it just says Benzinga exclusive. I swear, if this is one that in 10 minutes the snooze comes out and then it rips to $1 and I don't take it because it was a Benzinga exclusive 10 minutes ago, I'm gonna be so mad. And that's happened so many times. Where why? Bitcoin has almost hit 25 and whipped at 24,902. This chart looks so clean. I love how it looks on this. But yeah, 24.9 basically just whipped up too. Yeah, I can't believe it. And I don't usually have issues. Steven's the one that usually has issues. I don't usually have issues at all with Xfinity. And the annoying part was that they kept saying that it wasn't an outage. They're like, oh, we'll send a technician over. Like, be sure to unplug and replug your BS and tighten your wall screws. Like, please stop. The whole neighborhood's out. We already talked to the neighbors. Everybody's out. Stop telling me to screw in my cables. Literally, an agent said, are you affected by just one website or are multiple websites not working? And I was like,
RSLS.
The internet and cable are out, sir. And I know your name is not actually Joshua, okay?
FSLY. PTON. HSTO.
So we'll keep this up for when it has the PR in 10 minutes, I guess. Oh, nice. My in-laws don't even have cable internet. Like, Xfinity will not come to their house. Their neighbors have it. I have it, and I'm like 5 minutes away from them. But they like, nope, we're going to put in a building request. It'll be thousands of dollars for us to run the line to you, and it's just ridiculous. They won't do it. And they live like, I don't know, 200 feet from the main road. Uh-oh.
Wavy. AUVI.
I think we're back. I think we're back. I think we're back. I think my internet's up. Anyone still here? Is there anyone alive out there? Yes. Okay, we're back. We're good. We're live, baby. My internet just came back. It's been off for a freaking whole day, and it comes back right now, baby. Saved by the bell. Let's go. All right, gotta
TON.
tweet out that I'm still live. We didn't lose it.
CORZ. Spear.
Yeah, what timing? I gave it just a second, you know,
GT.
to come back, and we came back. Wait. Okay, we're dropping a little bit of frames, but we're here. We're here.
KTTA. ASM. OPGN. RSLS.
How about that for timing, guys?
BTX.
Everything looking sound good? YouTube's still saying some weird stuff, but I think we're good. I think we're good. What freaking timing that was.
GWAB.
I lost like almost all my viewers though. They'll come back. They'll come back. Don't worry. We'll be back and better than ever. I can't believe that.
SGHC.
All thanks to me unplugging it and plugging it back in. So I literally just turned the hotspot off because it was dying. It was literally bleeding out on the floor because it said it would slow me down to like 500 kilobytes or something. So I just switched my computer back over to the Ethernet. I disconnected from the hotspot, went to the Ethernet, just like that, came back on.
SONL.
Let's freaking go.
LLL.
All right, well, on that note, I'm going to step away for just a second. I'll be right back.
SIOX. QNCX. EAVM. GGR. VRNA. Bark. JUPW, Night Talk. TEL, JMIBL, XERS. QNCX. PRPH.
All right. We're good. How's that for that absolutely immaculate timing of the internet coming back to save the stream? It saved it. Straight up saved the stream. It was a close call. YouTube was literally saying if you don't restart your platform, the stream is going to end soon. Yeah, so Bianca, the internet was been out for a whole day. I was using my hotspot. My hotspot ran out of data, and it brought it down to 0, and nothing was loading.
APD.
So we were sitting here buffering for a second, and I was like, okay, let me just try to switch back to my internet before this turns off. And it was about to turn off on its own. And the second I switched it back over is the second that the internet was back on. So, super, super lucky.
WPRT.
I can even bump up the output here. Looks like we're loading good.
FCEL, AUBI.
Yeah, there we go. 850, 870 download. I hate that my upload's so slow though, even on full internet.
PLTM.
It's like 15, 16. Why does upload speed have to be so low with cable internet?
ACHR.
On the list for today, we have, not much, the Benzinga exclusive of SMFL. TTOO continuing on monkeypox from days ago. ACRX ran to 60 cents for some reason. Now it's back down. So that's about it. That is about all we have today.
Hive. MTCR, JBLU.
I'm glad we revoked the title of Money Thursday because it doesn't deserve it, as you see from the movers today.
NCLH.
It's transitioned over. Yeah, Shitty Thursday. Yeah. Trashy Thursday.
RDFN. BLDR. SPI.
I literally can't find anything that's moving. Like, what? I think Broda was on Money Less Thursday. I like it. At least there's Bitcoin, right? Broda, somebody's pumping your SPI.
CLSK.
Look at that solar index, though. Where's Broda at? He's probably super stoked right now.
FSRD.
Yeah, Broda might not be on this morning. But the solar index is wild. 91.90.
Eben.
Look at that breakout.
BTX.
He's been on this for a couple weeks now, too. The dude called it. I will give him that. I remember when oil was topping out, he's like, okay, it's going to transition to solars, you know. What do you have to do to be in the inner circle? You just have to join the channel.
CGAU.
You get the emojis. You get the badge next to your name. It starts out with white, and then it goes to green, and I think it goes to red after like a couple months. But yeah, it's just support for the channel, basically. You get early access to the lesson videos. If you do sign up, though, for the Inner Circle, do it on your browser or do it on like an Android or something, because Apple, for some reason, through the YouTube app, is charging more just to get a piece of the pie. So I think it's like $6.99 a month on Apple, but it's only $4.99 everywhere else.
WEVL.
But yeah, it's just basically a support of the channel, you know. Your badge grows as your support continues, you know.
Sophie. RKL.
And of course, you get the Powerade, the Dr. Pepper. I added one more. I added the Stonks guy. And I keep getting to add more whenever we keep getting new members. There we go. Bianca, thank you. welcome in the third member of the inner circle. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Let's go. Now you got your little badge.